This Wuling Night City project is located in Zhuxi County, Shiyan City, Hubei Province, with a total length of 2.1 kilometers. The new media display screen for this project is created by our E-series LED grid screen with a spacing of P50 DC 24 volts in 1W. It has 400 pixels per square meter, but maximum power consumption of 400 W, and average power consumption of 150 to 200 W in 3000 AD. In the initial stage of project design, due to the construction by the riverbank, high protection, low wind resistance, lightweight, and easy to install products are required. Additionally, due to the irregularity of the project, the screen, size, and shape need to be flexibly adjusted. After multiple in-depth evaluations and review, we ultimately chose our E-series LED grid screen. Its single lightweight is 12 grams with strong protection and lightweight. It can flexibly adjust the size and shape of a single screen, dual signal transmission, and has the function of single light failure not affecting the signal. And there is no need to recoil. The operation is simple, and it is easy to install and maintain. The purpose of this project is to demonstrate the display, and there is a higher requirement for the clarity and color fidelity of the display video. Our LED grid screen has a grayscale level of 16 bit, a 5K refresh rate, and a more delicate and realistic animation display, which is more user-friendly for human viewing comfort. The powerful core function, combined with the wheel's mainstream control system, make the project more practical. Its brightness of 3000 nits per square meter not only meets the viewing needs at night, but can also be viewed even in the absence of direct sunlight during the day. Our LED grid screen, with brightness ranging from 1000 to 10,000 nits per square meter, can meet any different viewing condition, providing you with unlimited space to play.